I'm going to show you how to do the crew love TikTok trend. It's actually a pretty easy trend. The only hard part there is that there are a lot of moves in this trend, but today we're here to learn them and to remember them, and then you'll be able to film the trend. But before we get started, it would be amazing if you could just subscribe and also activate the notifications and follow me on TikTok. And now let's get started. By the way, this video is mirrored, so it's a lot easier for you to follow. And now let's go. So the first thing we're gonna do here is a whoa. Then both our hands are gonna be in fist. We're gonna pull them towards us. Then our right elbow goes to the right and then down. Once again, whoa, both elbows down, one, down. Once again, whoa, down, right, down. Perfect. So then, after this, we're gonna do an 8 with our right hand. So basically, our fist goes first to the left, then goes up to the right and up. Just like that, and like that we form an 8, okay? Once again, 1, 2. Once again, 1, 2. Perfect. And then when our hand is here, we're gonna sway to the right. So it's gonna look like this. 1, 2. Okay, now let's do it from the very beginning and we'll move on. Whoa, down, right, down, 8, sway. Perfect. So after the sway, what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit our head with our hand. Please don't do it too hard, just a little bit. And then our hand goes around our head, and then our finger goes on our cheek, and we're gonna just push our face to the left. And then when it goes to the left, we're gonna go 1, 2, 3. And then when we do 3, we're gonna do like a small wave, just like that. 1, and our hands go over our head. So let's do it again from the beginning, and we'll move on. Let's go. Whoa, down, right, down, 8, sway, hit, circle, cheek, left, 1, 2, 3. So after this, what we're gonna do is we're gonna punch twice. Okay, so first with our right hand forward, and then with our left hand forward. Then we're gonna cross our arms and we're gonna do a wave. Then we're gonna uncross them and cross them to the other side and do another wave. So for example, if our right hand first was like in front of our left hand, then it goes behind our left hand, or the other way around. Okay, so 1, 2. And then we're gonna do a wave with our hands forward. We're gonna pretend we're gonna grab something and pull it towards us. Okay, so let's do it from the very beginning, slow, so that we remember all the moves, and then we're gonna go on. Go on with the next one. So let's go. Whoa, down, right, down, 8, sway, hit, circle, cheek, left, 1, 2, wave, punch, punch, wave, 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 grab, pull. Okay, so after this, what we're gonna do is we're gonna cross our arms like this. And now we have 2 options. We can do a normal whoa or a cross whoa. I prefer to do the normal one. And then after that, our right elbow goes to the right, and we're gonna do a circle with our hand. Then our left elbow goes to the left and circle with our hand. So it's gonna look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Now, after this, don't worry, we don't have much left. We're gonna sway. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. So our hands go up and then they go forward, doing like a circle. And we're gonna go right, left. By the way, comment if you want me to do a tutorial on how to do the sway so that I don't have to explain it on every single video, so that you learn it. So comment if you want a tutorial. And now let's do it from the very beginning. And then we're gonna learn the last 2 moves. So let's go. Whoa, down, right, down, 8, sway, head, circle, cheek, left, 1, 2, wave, punch, punch, wave, 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 grab, pull, cross, whoa, 1, 2, 3, 4, sway, 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 sway. I prefer to do it towards me. And then we're gonna do the dice roll, and that's it, that's the last move. So we've already learned the whole dance. Let me show you how to do the dice roll quickly if you don't know how to do it. Basically, we're gonna step with our left leg back, and then we're gonna step forward with our right leg. So all together, it's gonna look like this. 1, just like that. Once again, 1. Perfect. And now for our hands, they're gonna be in fists, and then our left hand is in front of us, straight, and then the right one goes. 1, 2. And now we're gonna put it all together. It's gonna look like this. 1. Once again, dice roll. Perfect. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do it from the beginning twice. First, we're gonna do it slow so that we remember all the moves. And then we're gonna do it fast, and then you can already film the TikTok at its normal speed. So first, let's go slow. Let's do it. Whoa, down, right, down, 8. Sway, head, circle, cheek, left, 1, 2. Wave, punch, punch, wave, 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 grab, pull, cross, whoa, 1, 2, 3, 4, sway, 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 roll, dice roll. Perfect, and now we're gonna do it fast. So we're not gonna do it at the original TikTok speed, but we're gonna do it a little bit faster than usual, and then you'll just practice it faster and faster until it's the actual TikTok's speed. So let's do it. Whoa, pull, right, down, 1, 2, 3, 4, head, circle, 1, 2, 1, 2, wave, punch, punch, 1, 2, wave, grab, pull, cross, whoa, 1, 2, 3, 4, sway, 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 roll, dice roll. That's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe, follow me on TikTok. Comment more ideas for other TikTok tutorials, and I hope to see you soon.